What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making mustard greens. These are actually so easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 1 teaspoon of olive oil and drizzle it in a large pot. I like to use a Dutch oven, and then add 1.5 cups of chopped white onion and saute that until the onions are translucent and fragrant. Then add in 2 minced garlic cloves and give that a good stir. And then add in 1/2 cup of chicken broth to kind of get your pot nice and deglazed. And then you're going to take 3 pounds of mustard greens. These have been picked, these have been washed. And then add in 1/2 tablespoon of Creole seasoning. And then you're going to take and add a little bit more of your mustard greens to the pot and give that a good stir so those start to wilt down so you can fit all of your greens in the pot. These greens are gonna wilt down, and so we still got our pot here on medium-high heat so those can wilt. Add my Creole seasoning in stages. I'm using 1/2 tablespoon total, but I am kind of layering it in just like I'm doing the greens. And then I've got 1 smoked turkey leg here. You can use a turkey wing, you can use ham hocks, salt pork, whatever meat you like to season the greens. Then you're gonna adjust your heat to medium and place your lid on your pot. You're gonna allow those greens to cook for about 2 hours until they're soft and that turkey leg is tender. If you like to serve your meat in with your greens, go ahead and shred that meat from the turkey leg and then return it to the pot. And there you have it, mustard greens. I love to serve my greens with a slice of cornbread.